Hello and welcome back to HardReset.Info. In this video I will show you how to fix the auto brightness not working on Samsung Galaxy A17. Let's begin! First step of fixing the auto brightness is to simply make sure that it's enabled, and luckily for us we can do that by simply heading into settings, scrolling down into display, and right below the brightness bar we have adaptive brightness. If we enable it, it's now adaptive brightness on, and it will adaptively change the brightness levels dependingly on your surroundings. However, if a simple enable disable doesn't work for you for any reasons at all, I would advise you to turn off and reboot your device. Luckily, you can easily do that by simply expanding your control center from the top right corner and then clicking power icon and going into restart. I know that this may seem kind of silly, but whenever you reboot your device, you're not only rebooting the software, but hardware as well, including sensors that are responsible for detecting the brighter levels around you and then using that data to actually power the adaptive brightness feature. And that's all for this video. If you found it useful, make sure to leave a like, subscribe, and as always, thanks for watching.